How to delete your Stake account. Hey everyone, if you've decided to close your Stake account and want to ensure it's done correctly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to delete your Stake account, so let's get started. Open the Stake app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the Help Center. You can usually find this option in the main menu or by clicking on your profile icon. In the Help Center, use the search bar to look for terms like delete account or close account. This will help you find specific instructions or articles related to closing your Stake account. If you can't find the information you need, go to the Help Center. Look for a Contact Us or Support option. You may be able to reach out via email, live chat, or a contact form, so choose the method that works best for you. When contacting customer support, clearly state that you want to delete your Stake account. Provide any necessary information that may need to process your request, such as your account details and the reason for closure. You might receive a confirmation email or message from Stake regarding your account deletion request, so follow any additional steps provided to complete the process. Now, if you are concerned about your personal data, make sure to remove any sensitive information or request its deletion, if possible, before closing your account. If you are using the Stake app on your mobile device, you can now uninstall it. And that's how you delete your Stake account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.